Alright, here is something that I got delivered yesterday.
What?
You were delivered yesterday. Oh. No, okay. I hope I'm not doing something silly with the camera flipping thing. I hope it's not upside down. I have no idea which way's the right way. Alright, let's just go with it. Alright, so it is an Electrohome suitcase. No, not quite. Anyways, I bought this off Kijiji, and this is not what was inside. It is a record player that I did not know much about before it got to my house. Here we have an Electrohome model 605 automatic phono, 4-tube AC/DC chassis, and a 4-speed automatic record changer. Sounds awesome. Power output 3 watts, power consumption 38 VA. I have no idea what VA is. Anyway, this is glued in here nicely. Everything is honestly just beautiful inside of here, except for some dirt. Apologize for my filmography here. I am going to be new to this, and I'm trying to do this with a phone. So yeah, anyways, I had to pull this little tweeter out to get the controls off. There wasn't enough room. So here's what we have. And I've moved some stuff around. I snipped the
Wires.
I did. I snipped the wires too, Mace. You're right. But I cut this off of there because I didn't want to take the whole damn thing apart. It was screwed to the bottom of the chassis and covered in solder, and there's a main ground wire, and I just figured I'd snip it. I'm nostalgic, but a little scratch on here doesn't hurt my feelings. So I was happy that they gave me the colors, so I just did a little road map thingy that I've learned from some of you guys. Pretty much too. I pretty much just watch The Guitarologist and Uncle Doug. Been watching a couple radio guys lately because I've got a radio. Anyway, it came with all tubes. They're all working. It's just got a crazy hum, so I'm going to do some cap changing. I've also got this one. This is kind of cool. I don't know if we can see this a little better. Maybe like that. A hunt. I've got some hunts in another piece I have. Something like that. Anyway, beautiful looking work. Some old paper caps and stuff inside the tone stack. Worst comes to worst, a record player and everything doesn't work. I got a 3-watt stereo amplifier, so I don't know. That might be something interesting. Something interesting to do. If you kind of saw this in the background, I'll do some more videos about this. This is actually a Fender Pro Junior 3 that has some heavy mods. We'll talk about that another time. Yeah, this is kind of interesting. We'll get back here. We got a speaker in the front. Has a detachable speaker here, which I have detached at the moment because I was just taking a look at it. The cover was all pushed in, so I was making sure that the speaker was alright. Here we have this down here. And I'll bring you around past my mess. Don't judge my toolbox. Don't judge it. Just leave it alone. It's happy. It didn't do anything mad to you. Okay? Here is the phono. Maybe I'll turn this kitchen light back on now. We have made in England, collared studio. sorry, I wasn't watching the camera. I was moving the camera out of the way so I could see it, because I'm more important. Yeah, it is 4-speed, as we talked about. I don't know if I'll ever find a 78 or a 16. We'll find out. Maybe I will get a 16 one day. I have no idea. I'm just going to do this ever so gently, in case there's any phono buffs out there that want to tell me what I have or don't have. Looks pretty nice to me. It smells like an old man's cabin once we open up that suitcase.
Yep.
Here is the speaker, the inside of the speaker. This is it's got a 5 microfarad cap there. I don't know anything about the date codes on these. I know nothing. But the amp is 1961, so I don't know. I don't even know what kind of speakers they are. But here's the damage I was looking at. See, it's all pushed in here, but everything was fine. I'll give you guys a rundown once I get it operational or non-operational. And just because we're here, 1951, made in Montreal, RCA Victor. It is a 50 watt consumption, 5 tube AM and shortwave radio. Got some new tubes coming, and gonna recap that baby, even though it basically works as is. Just changed the crappy power cord. I built the, you know, my I guess maybe my cenotaph or my totem pole for the frequency gods. I also have a whack of coax running around connected to a water line for ground, and this loop here seems to help me out sometimes, even though I have no signal in this basement really. Pardon me? You're a scrapper knacker. And yeah, this is my place. Just because there may be questions, there may not be. Maybe I'll show you, maybe I won't. Got some cool stuff. There's a gremlin that eats all my food. Eat some more of the soup too, just not the crackers. Yeah, for real, yo. Yeah, alright. Oh. Here I am. I can't hear you because the camera needs to see you to be able to hear you.
The sky is the lane.
Okay, thanks.